Hi, welcome back to episode 2 of our series on GenAI-Powered GCCs for the Future of Pharma. In the last episode, episode 1, we talked about the fundamentals. What are the difference between a pharma GCC and general purpose GCCs, both structurally and operationally? In this episode, we're going to talk about generative AI and its impact in pharma-specific GCCs. Emmanuel, let's talk about that term. Everybody's talking about agentic workflows. From your perspective, what does that mean in practice, and how is it different from traditional automation that we have seen in GCCs?
Well, good question. Traditional automation is rule-based and deterministic. You give it a set of instructions, and it follows them exactly. Agentic workflows, on the other hand, are powered by GenAI. These agents do not just follow rules. They reason, adapt, and act like domain experts. They can handle ambiguity and make decisions with minimal human intervention.
Yeah, exactly. And agents, especially GenAI-powered agents, have a lot of unique capabilities. They use tools such as knowledge graphs, advanced reasoning, contextual reasoning, and that's led to a type of autonomy that's really powerful. But in pharma, we talked about in the first episode, precision. So there's a lot of risks and red flags around compliance and governance.
Absolutely. In a regulated industry like pharma, autonomy has to come with safeguards. That is why governance must be baked into these agentic systems. They must be designed to log every action, generate audit trails, and explain their decisions. Everything you need to meet pharma's regulatory standards.
Right. And we design these systems to behave like responsible human experts. These agents are meant to mimic SMEs. So if an agent, for example, is handling case processing, we expect that agent to know that it needs to create a Part 11 compliant audit trail. And that's trusted autonomy, right? This is the game changer and what gives it kind of specific nuances for pharma.
And that trust is what unlocks innovation. When people are not spending time on repetitive, low-value work, they can focus on solving bigger problems. These agentic workflows free up capacity for higher order thinking.
Yeah, and we've seen that in action. GCC teams working alongside agents. We call it human in the loop. Sometimes we call it augmentation. And this is not just about people being productive, but they're more engaged, right? They have better utilization of their time. These agents are contributing not just task completion, but actually insights. So ultimately, this is not about replacing people. In many ways, it's about enabling them in new ways.
Exactly. It is not just a tech upgrade, it's a mindset shift. You are designing a new way of working, one that balances autonomy with accountability.
Right? And that's the essence of agentic workflows. So thank you, Emmanuel. In the next episode, we're going to look at what it takes to build and modernize a GenAI-powered GCC and how to avoid most of the common pitfalls. So look forward to seeing you there.